Assalamu alaikum students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. I am your social studies teacher and today we are going to start unit number 8. So let's start. The name of unit number 8 is the Stone Age and today's first topic is 8.1 Stone Age people. Thousands of years ago, people did not live in cities. They did not live in towns or villages. They lived in caves or under trees. They hunted wild animals for meat and they also picked fruit and nuts from trees. They wore animal skins as clothes. As you can see here, these are the Stone Age people and they live in the caves. They picked fruits from the trees and nuts from the trees and they wore animal skins as clothes. So after people had killed many of the animals and picked the fruits in one place, they moved on to another place and they didn't cut their hair because they did not have scissors or knives and their tools were made of wood, bone and stone. This is why we call this time the Stone Age, because they didn't have scissor, they didn't have knives, their tools were only made of wood, from bone and stone, and they live in caves or they live in under trees and they hunted the wild animals to eat and they picked fruits from the trees and nuts from the trees and they wore animal skin as clothes, right? Now move to next page. The next topic is 8.2 fire. One day people rubbed two stones together and made fire. People rubbed two stones together and made fire. They realized that the fire was useful. They could cook food, they could keep warm themselves, they had light at night, because they also did not have electricity. So when they rub two stones together, they think that this is a very useful thing because they can cook with the fire. They could keep them warm and they had also light at night. They could keep away wild animals with the help of the fire, and they could also make charcoal by burning wood. Someone drew this animal with charcoal on a cave wall 15,000 years ago, as you can see here. And this is the picture painting of this is the painting of Stone Age people, and you can also see the fire, right? So later people learned how to bake clay pots go soft in water, but if you bake a clay pot in a fire, it gets hard and you can carry water in it. And this is a picture of a clay pot, right? So you can also bake bricks to make houses that stay strong in the rain, and this is only possible with the help of the fire, right? The next topic is 8.3 and this is the story of Boof's family. It is the Stone Age. Boof is out hunting. Ah, help me, we need to leave this forest. Back home in the cave, Boop's wife is looking after her baby, as you can see here. Number 4, Boop's son is painting. Boop's daughter is grinding wheat with a grinding stone. This is a grinding stone and she is Boop's daughter and she is grinding wheat. That's it. We are moving on tomorrow. There are no animals left in the jungle. We can't move on. The baby is ill, said Boof's wife, and I'm painting a new picture. And I have made a garden by the river. The next topic is 8.4, the first farm. You will do what I say. Where is my dinner? Here you are, some naan and beans. Very nice. Where did you get them from? Well, Dad, while you have been hunting every day, I grew the wheat and beans in my garden, said Boof's daughter. Garden, what's a garden? Well, I planted last year's seeds in the spring and watered them in the summer. I gathered to the wheat in the autumn, so now we have enough to last all winter. I keep wild birds that lay big eggs. Try one, said Boof's son. So you see, we don't have to move on. We have lots of food here. Let's kill them and eat them. No, Dad. Keep them. Then we will have milk every day. So the family settled in the cave by the river. They have made the first farm. So this is a story in which Boo. This is a story about old Stone Age people, and in this story, they made the first farm, and there are some questions. You have to write the answers here, right? The next topic is 8.5, a Stone Age house in the UK. So, first of all, this is a picture of a Stone Age house in UK, and you can see a showcase here, a stone wall, box bed, stone bowl, fireplace, grinding stone, and fish tank. So, this is a Stone Age house in Sakara, UK, and it was built 5,000 years ago. The people who lived there fished and grew a kind of wheat, and they used only stone to make their homes and tools. As you can see here, everything in this picture is made up of stone because they use only stone to make their homes and tools, and they slept on dry grass in box beds, right? And today's last topic is 8.6, a Stone Age village in Pakistan. So, this was a Stone Age village in Balochistan. As you can see here, the picture of this. So, this was a Stone Age village in Balochistan. People started living there about 9,000 years ago, and the walls were made up of mud bricks. Slowly, the people learned to do new things. They even learned how to fill holes in teeth. They learned how to make pots on a wheel. They developed fire, and so they were perfectly round. What do you think they painted on this pot? Later, they learned how to use metal, so that was the end of the Stone Age. When they know that how to use when they learned that how to use metal, that time was the end of the Stone Age. That's it. So this is your today's work. You have to read this chapter, and you also have to do the mentioned pages of your workbook in your homework. That's it. I hope you find this chapter so interesting, because it is interesting. And that's it. Allah Hafiz.